Hello ladies, and welcome to our channel. We are Magic Hair Company. We are a glueless lace wig specialist located in Culver City, California. We have had our store here for the last 10 years, and some of the most common questions we get, we will now be answering on our series on our TikTok and YouTube. So like, comment, follow, and subscribe. We will also be showing you guys recommended products, and all of those recommended products will be linked above. So just click the link above and scroll down to beauty supply and you will find everything linked. So the first item that I want to show you is this spray bottle. It is great for styling and maintaining curling and wavy hair. You can put a leave-in conditioner, or there's a few different curl defining products that I recommend that are linked, so you can choose from whatever you like. Go ahead and check those links out for recommended products. You can also use a mousse and water, but this spray bottle is perfect for easily dispersion of water to hydrate your curly hair. So whether you mix the spray bottle with water and some sort of curl definer or leave-in conditioner, or you just put water in that spray bottle and then put a mousse on your hair, all of those products are linked in our Magic Hair Company beauty supply that you can find linked in the bio. Also, we do have a few different combs and brushes that we recommend, but let us know in the comment section below any specific products that you guys want to see from us. We are going to show you more educational videos on how to style your hair. If you like this wig, this is wig number 219, so reference it. It is available on our website, magichaircompany.com. Not only do we provide the most luxurious glueless lace wig, so that lace that I'm holding right there, you just cut it off. We have a really natural hairline. It's less dense, and we do custom coloring in our Culver City store here. So to come shop with us here in our Culver City store, just make an appointment. You can visit us on our website or give us a call at 310-558-0181 and let us know when you would like to come in, and we will schedule you accordingly. We're open every day except for Sunday, and we are open from 10:30 to 6 p.m. here in Culver City. So this pink comb, the rat tail comb, that is also linked in our page, because it is hard for us to find good combs at the beauty supply and Sally's that are rubber combs. You cannot use a plastic comb when you are using a hot tool. So what I was just showing you is this rubber comb against the hot comb, and as you see, it did not melt. I hate when we have lots of combs that are melted. This comb right here will not melt, and it is perfect for parting and styling your wig, just like I did right here. So all of the styling products I used today, plus other products, wig heads, styrofoam heads, any and everything almost that you can think of to style your wig, is now linked. This is what you can use to do a quick wig install with your glueless wig. I never encourage you to use wig glue. Just use some of that wig spray, which is like a glue. Here are some styling shears if you want to get crafty and cut your hair. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our page, Magic Hair Co. See you soon.